How to delete YouTube account on Android. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into your application YouTube. Once you're in the home page, make sure you are logged into your account that you want to delete. Once you're in the home page, move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Scroll down and you need to move into your data in YouTube. Now wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you in the space. Scroll all the way down and simply move into Google account. Click on it. Now head over to Data and Privacy. Scroll down and you'll see the option where it says Delete a Google service. Click on it. After that, you'll see the account of YouTube. Move into it. It will say if you want to delete your account permanently or not. Simply click on it and then tap on Confirm. After that, the account that you want to delete will be successfully deleted, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.